Hey problem solvers, Colfax Math here. Short video on finding the derivative or the slope. The definition is if my function is equal to x to the n, the derivative of that function is you bring that n down in front and you subtract 1 from it. A couple tricky ones here with square roots and exponents in the denominator, but let's go ahead and find these 5, pause the video, do them before I do them, and then watch how I do them. So f prime of x, the derivative of this, bring that 2 down in front to get 8x, subtract 1 to the 1. This is equal to x to the 1/2, so to turn the square root into a fractional exponent, bring that half down in front, subtract 1 from it, and that's your derivative. The derivative of a constant right here, f prime of x, is equal to 0. The derivative of a linear function like this would just be a 1 in front, so f prime of x would be 5, and then subtract 1 from there just to have 5. On number 4 here, we're going to convert this radical in the denominator into a numerator in a fractional exponent in the numerator. So f of x is equal to -2/5 x to the -1/2. So there's that 2/5, has that negative in front. And then I made this positive by moving it up in a fractional exponent. Now that I have that, my derivative, f prime of x, it's going to be -1/2 times -2/5. That's going to be positive. So that's going to be positive 2/10, or 1/5 x. -1/2 minus 1, -1.5, or -3/2. Okay, right here we still have y, not y prime yet, so that's the same as f of x. I'm just going to make this whole thing positive by bringing it up. And then I have 2x to the power of -3. I have to distribute that -3 through the whole quantity. Plus, this is the 5th root of x as a fractional exponent, so 1/5. Still y. Now the derivative, y prime, the slope of that line is going to be, actually I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to still simplify this. 2 to the -3. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, but it's going to be 8 in the denominator, so it's going to be 1/8 x to the -3 plus x to the 1/5. So this is still my function. Now that I have that function, now I find the derivative. -3 times an 1/8 is -3/8 x to the -4. Bring that 1/5 in front of this term down, plus 1/5 x minus 1. 1/5 minus 1 is -4/5. So there's some derivative problems right there. The key is to kind of get them all in the numerator and fractional exponents, and as long as they're not being multiplied and divided, we don't need to use a product or division rule. Okay, thank you for watching.